To deposit a paper check at a BMO ATM, start by finding a nearby deposit-enabled ATM, which can be located using the BMO Bank website or mobile app. Note that some ATMs may only allow cash withdrawals, and BMO ATMs may not be available in all states. Once you've found a suitable ATM, begin by tapping your BMO debit card on the machine, or insert it into the slot on the right side if tapping doesn't work. The ATM will then prompt you to select your preferred language, after which you'll need to enter your 4-digit PIN on the keypad. If you're unsure of your PIN, you can visit a BMO Bank branch to have it reset. After entering your PIN, tap the green Enter button, and the ATM will offer various options, including deposit. Select this option to proceed. You'll then be asked to choose the account type where you'd like to deposit the funds. Options may include savings or checking. Next, decide how you'd like to receive your receipt: with a check image, with a summary, or no receipt at all. At this point, you can insert your check, along with any cash you'd like to deposit, into the ATM. The machine can handle up to 40 items. But be sure to remove any coins, envelopes, staples, or clips first. The ATM will automatically calculate the deposit amount and recognize many details, including the amount on the check. Once the ATM has processed the check, you can confirm the amount or add more items to deposit. After confirming, the ATM will display a confirmation message indicating that the deposit was successful, and then ask if you'd like to perform another transaction. If not, the ATM will print your receipt, which you can take along with your card, completing the deposit process.